Hey guys, thanks so much for coming over and watching today. For today's recipe, it's going to be quick. There's a few basic but simple key ingredients for today's recipe, and that is cashew cream cheese. So for the cashew cream cheese, you'll need to do a little bit of prep. You'll have to soak your cashews overnight, or at least for 4 hours. If you don't have the time, you can soak them in hot water for 20 minutes. Anyways, so what you want to do from here is drain them. And then you'll add them to your blender. And now it's time for the seasoning. You'll need a tablespoon of garlic powder and a tablespoon of onion powder. A pinch of sea salt. This is about a half teaspoon, and a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. You don't need nutritional yeast, but a lot of people feel like it gives that extra cheesy flavor. And an acid. I use lemon juice. I like fresh lemon juice, but that's up to you. And you can use an oil in here as well. I'm gonna keep this recipe oil-free because I'm actually just gonna be adding water. But if you have another plant-based milk, feel free to use that instead. So that was a cup of cashews. I have a cup of water. And then I think that was, I don't know, maybe like 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're gonna pulse this, blend it, puree it, whatever you want to call it. And it's gonna get really rich and creamy. If it gets too thick, scrape your sides down and add some more liquid. And then you'll put it in the fridge. So what you want to look for is a really thick, creamy consistency, and taste it. I like to flavor all of my cream cheeses with like chives. If you want something sweet, you could add strawberry puree. And you'll want to make sure that you chill this for a couple hours. And there you have it, cashew cream cheese.